Hello, and welcome to ACU's online bill pay service tutorial. In this video, we'll be going over how to add, edit, and schedule payments. This is a free service that you can access through your online banking. So let's get started. In the menu to the left of your screen, click on Bill Pay. This will open the Bill Pay dashboard. To the right of your screen, you can see that the Payees tab is already open. Our first step is going to be to add a payee. Click on the Add button. You'll need to have your account number and address for each payee that you'll be adding. Type in the payee name and click Continue. Next, you'll enter your account number and address for the payee. You also have the option of choosing a nickname for this bill. Click Continue. And this brings you to the confirmation screen. Verify that all of the information for your payee is correct and click OK. You can now see that the payee account is listed under Payees. The envelope icon on the left of the payee designates this as a payee who will receive payment via a mailed check. There are some common payees already in this bill pay service. When paying one of these, the payments will be sent electronically. To set up one of these common payees, we'll follow the same steps when setting up the previous payee. This time, when we type in the name Verizon Wireless, it will bring up any matches that are in the bill pay system as a common payee. Click Continue to add your account number and the payee zip code. Once again, you can add a nickname for this bill. Once you're done, click Continue. Here you'll confirm that the payee information is correct, and you'll click OK. You can now see that the Verizon Wireless is listed as a payee. The lightning icon on the left of the payee designates this as an electronic payment. Now that we have our payees entered, let's go over setting up our payments. Click on the Pay Bills tab at the top of the Bill Pay menu. Enter the amount of the bill to be paid next to the payee. Now we can choose the frequency of payments at the bottom of the screen by clicking the arrow to the right. This will bring up the Available Payment Frequencies menu. Click on the one that matches your billing cycle for this payee. In order for the payments to reflect the frequency chosen, the earliest possible payment dates were automatically selected. If this is correct, you can click on Dismiss. This will bring up available alerts for this bill. If you'd like to be notified when the payment is delivered, click this box. If you'd like to be notified prior to the send date, click on this box, and you'll have the option of choosing how many days prior to the send date that you'd like to be notified. After you're done, click Continue to preview and confirm the bill pay details. If they're correct, you can click Pay. This will bring us back to the Pay Bill screen. On the right of the screen, you'll see your payments are listed. This shows the dates the payments are scheduled to be sent, and you'll also see the payments will be listed as pending until payment is sent. You can also check your payment activity by clicking on Payment Activity at the top of the Bill Pay menu. On this screen, you have the option to search for your payee and also choose the date range for the search. This is helpful if you're looking for a particular payment. Next, we're going to go over transferring and sending money. Click on the Transfer Send Money tab at the top of the menu. To transfer funds from your ACU account to an external account, you'll want to click on the Add button. You will need to have the account information that you're transferring funds to. You'll need the routing number, the account number, and the account type, checking or savings. You also have the option of entering a nickname for this account as well. Once you have read and understand the terms and conditions, you'll click here. Next, you'll click Save. This brings up instructions needed to verify this external account. After reading the verification instructions, click Continue. On the right of this screen, you can see that the account is now listed under External Accounts. This will show as in process until you've verified the account details. Next, let's make a payment to an individual. Click on the Add button next to People. Here, you'll enter the recipient's name. You'll also need the individual's email or phone number. After you've entered this information, click Save. On the right side of your screen, under People, you can see that the individual recipient is listed. Now, to make a payment to this individual, you'll want to enter the amount and set up a security question that the recipient will need to answer. Once that's completed and you've read the terms and conditions, you'll click here. Confirm that the information for the payment is correct and click Send. This payment will now show up under Scheduled with the soonest possible payment date. If you click on Payment Activity at the top, you can see that the payment is listed with all of the payment information. Now that we have our bills set up and scheduled for payment, let's go over how to make a change to pending payments. Keep in mind that changes need to be made at least 3 days prior to the send date scheduled. From the BillPay dashboard, you can see your scheduled payments listed according to payment date. To edit a payment, click on the arrow next to the payment you would like to edit. This will bring up the details for the payment. From here, you can change which account the payment is coming from by clicking on the arrow to the right. You can edit the amount of the payment, and you can change the frequency. This is also where you can change the duration of payments and your alerts. From this screen, you also have the option to delete the payment altogether. From the BillPay dashboard, you can see the payment is no longer scheduled. Thank you for taking the time to explore some of the best features of ACU BillPay with me. If you have any further questions, please give us a call at 253-914-3113, and we would be more than happy to answer your questions. Stay home, stay safe, but most of all, thank you for being a member.